Morning, people. Morning. Today is a very good day to clean the world. Today I have hand shoes, I have a step, and I have a big plastic bin. I'm already collected the bin for the human being making the park in Berlin. I will try to make it full, and I make for free, no money. Please follow me and we see what we got. Okay, this paper is not important. Okay, here's the bottle. Maybe we could get money for this. I clean already a little bit, but always you can find something, you know. We need to make for our nature. Here, it's a look at this. This is amazing. I try to put it here. Some paper. No more wheat or something. Wheat again. Plastic. More plastic. All human beings will make this park kaput or dirty. Okay, now we stop. I do it. And I do it for free, no money. Thank you, people. Stay healthy.